What's up guys, Scratzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your character jump in Scratch. So first we have this character over here. We're going to go to events, drag a when green flag clicks block, go to control, drag a forever block, then we're going to drag a if block and go to sensing and drag a when key space, go to operators, drag an OR option. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna duplicate it like this. Just right click and press duplicate. When key space pressed, when key space or up arrow or up arrow pressed, then I'm gonna go to control again, drag a repeat block, go to motion, change Y by 5, then I'll right click on this one and duplicate it and bring it down here, and this is gonna be -5 like this. You can change how much he jumps. If we put this to 10, or you can change it to any other number you like. It may be 100, 200, anything you want. But this is it. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content when uploaded. If this video helped you, please subscribe. If it did not, then also subscribe. It will be great. Hope you have a great day, guys.